there is a birthday party today. Let's see whose birthday party is this. Yay! It's a Spider-Man. You all are invited. Now, what the Spider-Man is saying? I have a lot of work to do. Can you please arrange these things properly till I bring my cake? Oh my God! So many things and they are all scattered. So we have to arrange these things. Make a group of. If we arrange same type of things in a group, it will be always easier for us to locate them. So we are going to make the groups. How many of you like going to a birthday party? I enjoy going, and wearing this cap is the best part of a birthday party. And then we make noise, we sing and dance and eat yummy cake. So our Spider-Man has gone to get his birthday cake, and before he comes back, we are going to arrange all the things properly. He gave me a list. So according to the list, I will ask you to help me to arrange the things. Make a group of 5 birthday caps. Now, when we are making a group, we are not going to count these things. We will just start making the groups, okay? And keep 5 caps together, and rest of them will be kept aside. So let's see how we are going to do. Group of 5 birthday caps. First of all, I have taken this circle in which I am going to keep all my birthday caps. What we do is, whenever we are making the group, we put those number of objects in the circle so that the group is visible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 birthday caps which are required to be here, and what are left are kept outside the group. They are kept outside the group. They both are outside the group. Okay, let us see what is the next item. Make a group of 7 popsicles. You know what are popsicles? All of you enjoy eating ice creams. So the other name of ice cream is popsicles. So what are we going to do? We are going to start counting 7 popsicles and keep them inside the group. So let us do it. A group of 7 popsicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 popsicles, and what all are remaining will be outside the group. Okay? How many are outside the group? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are outside the group. Let's see what is next. Balloons. I enjoy inflating balloons, and then we put it around in our room. The room gets filled with balloons and balloons. So we have to make a group of 4 balloons. 4 balloons. So let's make a group of 4 balloons. A group of 4 balloons. 1, 2, I repeat 3, 4. 4 balloons are in a group, and Rest of the balloons are outside. So how many balloons are outside? 1, 2 and 3. 3 balloons are outside the group. What next we will have? Make a group of 3 sandwiches. So Spider-Man wants us to keep 3 sandwiches in one group. So let us arrange his sandwiches. These sandwiches look yummy to me and I am hungry now. After this, I am going to eat the sandwiches. A group of 3 sandwiches. So we are going to put the sandwiches, mark them with the circle so that it shows that a group has been formed. 1, 2 and 3, and remaining will be outside the group. We will never bring them inside because they have asked her that you have to make a group of 3 sandwiches. What next do we have? Make a group of 8 cupcakes. Cupcakes, yummy. I love eating the cupcakes. I am sure you will be feeling the same. And look, they are so cute. They are the cover of the cupcake is Spider-Man, and then this is a blueberry cupcake which has spider web on it. So let us quickly count the cupcakes. Let us count the group of 8 cupcakes. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cupcakes are inside in a group and rest of them outside. Rest of them outside. Next we have to make a group of 10 badges. These badges Spider-Man wants to give to his best of friends. So let us arrange them nicely so that when he comes back, he is able to give them easily. There's so many badges, and what all will be left? Let's ask him to give it to us. A group of 10 badges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 badges, and the remaining badges outside the group. Do we have anything else to do? I hope we have arranged all the things and made the group of the things what all Spider-Man has told us to do. Look, he has come back. He has come with such a nice 2-tier yummy cake. I want to eat this cake now. So, hey friends, I am back. You all are invited. Come and let's enjoy the party. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Spider-Man. And we have done all the work for you. Spider-Man is saying thank you to all of you. Have fun, enjoy, and study well. The party is over now. My dear students, hope you have understood all the concept regarding making a group. There is very important thing which I have to tell you about when we make a group. Look at these sandwiches, and you have seen this slide earlier also. In this, I had asked you that we are going to make group of 3 sandwiches. Now, this is a rule that you can make the group from anywhere. The only thing is that the number of the objects inside the group should be correct. So if I want I can just make a group of these 3 sandwiches if I want, or I can make the group of these 3 sandwiches also. This is also correct, that is also correct, both are correct. Only thing is that they should be enclosed properly in the circle or the boundary which we are making. Let us do one more question related to this. Make a group of 10 badges. I want to make the group from the center. So what I am going to do, I want to count 10 badges and make the group like this from the center. So how many badges are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 badges. Shall we do one more example? Let us try out with cupcakes. So now I want to make the group from this side. So what will I will do? First I will count 8 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will count and make the group like this. So my 8 cupcakes are now in the group. Now this was the secret that I wanted to tell you about when we make the group. Practice as many questions as possible.